Hey, hi there. Is this the taxi for Jake?
Yeah, that's right. You're heading downtown, right?
Yep, that's me. Man, it's been such a long day.
Oh, I hear that. Go ahead and make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
No problem. Seatbelt's right there.
Got it. Thanks.
So, long day at work, huh?
Yeah, you could say that. Meetings back to back, nonstop.
That sounds rough. I've had days like that too, driving in circles all day.
Yeah, I bet traffic doesn't make it easier.
Ugh, traffic in this city is brutal. Sometimes it feels like we're all stuck in one giant parking lot.
Yeah, that's a good one.
You from around here?
Yeah, I live like 15 minutes from downtown. What about you?
Oh, I'm from the east side. I drive mostly in this area though.
Nice. I usually take the bus, but it was late today, so taxi it is.
Oh, yeah. The bus around here can be unreliable.
Tell me about it. I waited like 30 minutes before giving up.
Well, lucky for you, I showed up right on time.
You sure did. That's rare these days.
So, what kind of work do you do, if you don't mind me asking?
Nah, not at all. I work in marketing, mostly online campaigns, ads, that sort of thing.
Oh, cool. That sounds kind of creative.
It can be, yeah, but today was just emails and meetings. Endless.
I feel you. Driving all day is no joke either.
Yeah, I can imagine. Do you drive full time?
Pretty much. It's flexible, though. I get to choose my own hours.
That's nice. I wish I had that kind of freedom.
Yeah, but the flip side is no steady paycheck. Some days are great, some are slow.
Makes sense.
You sound like you've been grinding hard lately.
Yeah, I guess so. Just trying to keep up.
Same here. Everyone's hustling, right?
True. The whole city feels like it's running on coffee.
Ain't that the truth?
Wow, traffic's crazy tonight.
Oh, yeah. This time of day is always bad. Rush hour never ends.
Yeah, everyone's just trying to beat the clock, huh?
Exactly. Like we're all in some race we didn't sign up for.
True. At least the weather's nice, though.
Yeah, finally. Last week was raining nonstop.
Oh, I know. My shoes were soaked for like 3 days straight.
Ew, I hate that feeling. Wet socks, worst thing ever.
You're not wrong.
I love evenings like this, though. Cool breeze, soft light. Makes driving kinda peaceful.
Yeah, there's something nice about it.
You listen to music while working?
Oh, all the time. Keeps me sane.
Same. Music's my therapy.
You must meet all kinds of people driving taxis, huh?
Oh, you have no idea.
Oh, now I want to hear this.
Okay, so once this guy gets in, totally serious face, says, "Follow that car." Like I'm in a movie or something.
No way. What did you do?
I said, "Sir, this isn't an action movie." He laughed, gave me a big tip though.
That's awesome.
Yeah, people are wild. I've had folks sing karaoke, cry, even eat fried chicken in the back seat.
You could write a book.
Honestly, I've thought about it. Tales from the taxi seat.
That'd be a bestseller. I'd totally read that.
You'd be surprised what people share in a cab. Like total strangers just pour their hearts out.
Yeah, I guess it feels safe. You know, talk to someone you'll never see again.
Exactly. It's kinda sweet, actually.
So, do you drive every single day?
Not every single day. I usually take Sundays off, sometimes Mondays too, if it's slow.
Yeah, makes sense. You need some time to recharge.
Exactly. I used to drive 7 days straight, and trust me, that's a bad idea.
Yeah, sounds like burnout waiting to happen.
Oh, totally. My back was killing me, and I was just cranky all the time.
Same with my job. Too many late nights, and I start acting like a zombie.
Coffee helps, but only for a while, right?
Yeah, then it just stops working, and you're like, why am I still awake?
That's me after my third cup.
Do you listen to podcasts or something while driving?
Yeah, sometimes true crime, sometimes comedy. Depends on my mood.
Oh, nice. I tried listening to those, but I always forget the story halfway through.
Yeah, especially if traffic gets wild.
Exactly.
I actually enjoy driving at night more. The city lights, calm roads, feels peaceful.
Yeah, night drives hit different.
Totally. You can think, you can dream, no one's rushing you.
That's rare these days. Everyone's always in a hurry.
I know. I wish people would just slow down sometimes.
Same. Life moves fast enough already.
You mentioned you cook to relax, right?
Yeah, it's kind of my therapy.
That's awesome. I wish I could cook. I always mess things up.
Everyone starts somewhere. What's the worst thing you've made?
Probably spaghetti. It came out sticky like glue.
Oh no! What happened?
I didn't drain it right, I guess. Or maybe too much sauce. I don't know.
That's funny. You just need the right ratio. Pasta's all about balance.
Maybe you can give me a cooking lesson someday.
Sure. Deal.
I'll pay in free taxi rides.
That's a fair trade.
Do you play any music while you cook?
Always. Jazz or lo-fi. Keeps me calm.
Oh, same. I've got playlists for every mood.
Like, what kind?
One for long drives, one for rainy days, one for when traffic's brutal.
Let me guess. Heavy metal for traffic?
You got it.
Music just makes everything better, huh?
Totally. I can't imagine a quiet car all day.
Yeah. Silence feels louder than noise sometimes.
That's so true.
Wow. It's suddenly quiet.
Yeah, weirdly peaceful.
It's nice though. You don't get silence like this often in the city.
Nope. There's always honking, sirens, people yelling.
Or someone calling you about car insurance.
Oh my gosh, yes. Those spam calls never stop.
Sometimes, I think the world forgot how to relax.
You're right. Everyone's busy chasing something work, money, attention.
Yeah, even when people rest, they're still online scrolling.
I do that too. I say, I'm resting, but I'm on my phone for 2 hours.
Same here.
But moments like this, they feel real, you know?
Yeah, no noise, no rush, just talking.
It's kind of nice, actually.
It really is.
You ever think about slowing down your life a bit?
I try, but it's hard. Everything feels urgent these days.
Yeah, same. Like, even when I'm not working, I feel guilty for not doing something.
That's the pressure of modern life. Everyone's grinding nonstop.
It's exhausting. But I guess that's why little human moments matter. Like this chat.
Yeah, it's crazy how a random cab ride can turn into a real conversation.
That's my favorite part of this job meeting people, hearing stories.
That's cool. Feels like you're part of everyone's day for a few minutes.
Exactly. I'm like a small chapter in someone's story.
That's a beautiful way to put it.
Thanks. What about you? What keeps you balanced?
Hmm. I think just remembering that work isn't everything.
True. You gotta live a little too.
Exactly. Otherwise, what's the point of all the hustle?
You said it. Sometimes you just gotta breathe and take it slow.
Amen to that.
All right, we're almost there.
Oh, wow. That went fast.
See? Good conversation does that.
Yeah, seriously. You made the ride fly by.
Glad to hear it. You seem like a good guy. Chill energy.
Thanks. You're pretty cool too.
Here we go, downtown. That'll be $22.50.
Sure thing. Keep the change.
Aw, thanks. That's sweet of you.
No problem. Thanks for the ride.
Anytime. Take care, okay?
You too. And hey, start that book someday. Tales from the Taxi Seat, remember?
I will. Have a good night.
You too. Take care.
Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.